Hi, welcome back. Till last video, we have seen everything from starting to dashboard till the end of appearance. So next in the list is plugins. So plugins plays a major important role in WordPress next after themes. So themes are that where you can select a particular theme or you can start designing your own themes. Apart from that, you have something called plugins. So plugins, there are almost more than 1 lakh plugins available in WordPress for your requirements. So if we need any e-commerce platform, we have a plugin called WooCommerce or e-commerce. And if you wanted to have some SEO for your website done, so for that you have a different plugins called all-in-one SEO or other stuffs, or Yoast SEO. Like that you have multiple plugins. So for editing your websites you have Elementor or multiple things are there, Beaver, like this. So I'll be taking you through each and individual plugins once we have done thorough with all the options we have. So if you see in the plugins, we have three options again. One is installed. You can see the list of plugins that are being installed. So you can activate it or you can delete it. Next comes your add new. So if you have any plugins downloaded from third party, you can directly again upload from here, or if not, you can search here depending on your requirement. So these are the featured plugins, these are your popular plugins, these are your recommended ones. Okay, so in this way there are multiple plugins that you can use. Next is your plugin editor. So again, if you want to add any other functions to your already available plugin, then this is the place where you need to go and you can make the changes, and here you can select the plugins that you are looking for. So from this, if you once you selected it, you'll get the files related to that. So this is your hello.php for hello dolly plugin, and this is for anti-spam plugin. So if you see onto your right, you have options like change log, index.php, wrapper.php, and other stuff. So you can just come here and you can make your changes. So if you're planning to become an WordPress plugin editor or a plugin designer, so this is the place you'll be working mostly. So we'll catch up in the next video. Until then, bye.